to a new vlog where we are on our way to Target. It is the only place that carries the Ray-Ban Meta glasses in store in my area. I kind of live in the middle of nowhere, Wisconsin. I've been having eye pain on and off, and so I've really gotten into wearing blue light glasses. I notice it at school, like if I'm looking at my computer too much, or like if I'm looking at the smartboard too much. And so normally, like, I'll just wear blue light glasses at school, like midway through the day when I can tell, like, I've been looking at the smartboard too much, my eyes are starting to hurt. But it's summer now, and at Walmart, wearing my blue light glasses is not something that I would normally have thought of. I don't know if it's the bright fluorescent lights that are in the entire store, or if it's the fact that I do look at my phone a lot, like I'm looking at the planograms of how the clothing is supposed to be set up, or if I'm doing price changes, like I'm literally staring at my phone or a work device the entire 9-hour shift basically. Or like if I'm scanning a product, I need to figure out how much it is or where it's going. I'm looking at a screen a lot. And then I often come home and it's basketball season, and so then I'm watching basketball. So I've definitely been noticing that I've been having some pain in my eye, this one in particular. Sometimes I'm at home and I'm trying to, mess around on my phone for fun, or I'm reading on my iPad for my Kindle Unlimited app, or I'm just watching TV. And so by the time I get home, I'm always wearing my blue light glasses because my eyes are feeling a little uncomfortable. So I've been tossing around the idea in my head, like, oh, my eyes hurt, maybe I should wear my blue light glasses. I was watching Julia Christ. I don't think Julia has the Ray-Ban Metas. I think she has a different version of a smart glasses. But I kind of looked into smart glasses thinking, like, one, I do a lot of like YouTube social media stuff, and it probably would be helpful. It probably would influence me to post a little bit more, just because there's a lot of times where I'm like, oh, I could be videoing this, but I don't want to be like the weird person with my phone, obviously in landscape mode, walking into TJ Maxx, or like talking in Walmart with it. Like, it's just a little awkward. You can listen to books and listen to music on it too, so that was kind of interesting. So I've been doing a lot of research on the Ray-Ban glasses, and I've kind of figured out the one I wanted. I really wanted the Skylar ones. It's technically like chalky gray, but it looks kind of white, and they have a cinnamon pink lens. But those are truly just a sunglass, and for the purpose that I would like, I want them like the clear blue light style indoors, and then when I go outdoors, I want them to transition to a sunglass. And so yeah, those are more expensive than the cute ones that I was originally looking at because they have that transition lens in it. But if I think about like how often I'm out on the lake or I'm gardening, like those are times where I don't bring my phone. Like, I'm not gonna whip up my phone when I'm biking, or if I'm gardening, like it's just not ideal, especially being a female. I never have pockets, it seems, for my phone to fit in. So I decided that today was the day that I'm gonna go get these glasses. Target says that they have 2 in store, so we're gonna see if they have them. Hopefully they do, and then I'm gonna unbox them for you guys and hopefully give you my first opinions. I have the mobile order from Monica.
All right, you can go ahead. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll take a look at the school supplies while we're here too. A teacher just can't say no to a little browsing. This looks like lingerie, not like something you wear in public. I'm pretty sure that this iridescent one is what I need in life, so I'll have to look for that online. I'm pretty sure it's like this, more this style. These patches are cute. I love a good patch. These are adhesives, they'll stick on surfaces like this, even though it's not for this pouch. This Kelly Danielle stuff is super cute. I don't need any of it, but I have some things by her from her like clothing line. We got the goods. Please ignore the squeaking of my Crocs. This Target's in a college town, so that's why it's like a bins extraordinaire. A teacher like me's dream. We love plastic bins. Okay, friends, we are home, and we have our Ray-Ban Meta Skylar glasses. They're the shiny black frames, and the lenses are the clear, and then it transitions to the blue. My ultimate preference would have been to have the chalky gray lenses, and then the clear to a transition of the cinnamon pink, I think is the lens. but as far as I know, that cinnamon pink color only comes in the sunglass, and I need the blue light version. Let's be honest, that's what I got this for, is my poor eyes need a little relief, and it can help me with my vlogging game. So first we have this fun little tab. Let's pull it. It's past 4th of July, people. Enough fireworks. Oh. I know that this does not come with a charging cable, which some people are kind of annoyed about. I remember when we buy our iPod touches and our new iPhones, like it would come with everything you need. And well, now in this day and age, I think they just assume that you have all the charging cables you need. But I mean, it'd be nice to get one when you're paying $300 for a pair of sunglasses.
You got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, 'cause I think.
Cute. Okay. There's a QR code to download the app, so I'm gonna do that really quick. Okay, so far, the hardest part of the setup process was just me trying to remember what the Wi-Fi password was. Apparently it doesn't have a capital letter. What Wi-Fi password that comes from the internet company doesn't come with a capital letter. I thought that was just standard password protection knowledge. But in any case, everything's working out pretty good. I'm gonna try just some random videos and see how that looks when I import it. I know that when you're taking videos and pictures from the glasses, it goes portrait mode, not landscape, like what YouTube prefers. So like for Instagram, portrait's fine. So if I'm using the glasses to make like a little B-roll YouTube video, I'm just gonna have to be cognizant of having to like zoom it in to get to the 16:9 ratio, which is like what YouTube prefers. So let's try these out. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna go for a little bike ride and see how it goes. If you recognize the surroundings, please don't be weird and find my house. Thank you. So I'm curious how well this picks up my voice. So here's me videoing. Also, I'm curious if this will be too fast. I think I normally have a head that's pretty straight. But obviously if I'm moving my head a lot, or even like on this bike, if it's bouncing, then that'll be very distracting for the viewers. So I'm also curious if talking to the AI, like assistant, will work while it's videoing. So let's try this. Hey Meta, what am I looking at? Nope, won't work. Hey Meta, what is the temperature? Yeah, okay. So the AI does not work while videoing, and I'm sure it's something to do with like I'm using the microphone for the videoing. Now we're gonna see how well it is at plant identification. Hey Meta, what kind of plant is this? I'm pretty sure they said catmint. Technically it's catnip. Different flowers. Hey Meta, what kind of flowers are these? Yes, I'm aware. Also, it just dawned on me that, yeah, I'm hearing the Meta, but it's like coming from up here by my head. So you can't hear that if I'm asking Meta something. Oh, hello, Mr. Squirrel. He's got a peanut. His Dan feeds them. He's off to the lair. Oh, there's another and another. You can just call Dan the squirrel wrangler. I think most homeowners or gardeners in general don't like squirrels. Dan's a big fan. They're kind of like cats to him.
Wasn't I meant to lie in your arms here for a while? I'm alive and I take you in. I've been falling, calling. When I reach out, you will hold
Okay, I am ending this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to be on the lookout for more content coming from me, filmed by these are my blue light glasses, filmed by my actual glasses, which are charging right now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.